Hey there, astrology enthusiasts. Want to transform your life using the secrets of your astrology birth chart? Stick around because I'm about to show you how to unlock your potential and build a better life. First things first, what exactly is an astrology birth chart? It's a snapshot of the sky at the exact moment you were born. This chart maps out the positions of the planets, the moon, and the sun, giving you a cosmic blueprint of who you are. Now, let's dive into how you can use this powerful tool. Start with your sun sign. It represents your core essence, your ego. Knowing your sun sign helps you understand your fundamental needs and drives. For example, if you're a Leo, embracing your creativity and leadership qualities can bring you immense satisfaction. Next, look at your moon sign. This reveals your emotional nature and how you respond to life's ups and downs. Understanding your moon sign can help you better manage your emotions. If you're a Cancer moon, creating a nurturing, secure environment is key to your emotional well-being. Don't forget about your rising sign. This is the mask you wear to the world, how others perceive you. Tapping into your rising sign can help you navigate social situations with more confidence. For instance, if you're a Libra rising, you might find that creating harmony in relationships comes naturally to you. Now, here's where the magic happens. By aligning your actions with the strengths and challenges revealed in your birth chart, you can make more informed decisions, set realistic goals, and attract positive energy into your life. Remember, your astrology birth chart is like a guidebook written by the stars. Embrace it, learn from it, and let it illuminate your path. So grab your birth chart, dive into the cosmic wisdom, and start transforming your life today. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with fellow astrology lovers. Until next time, keep reaching for the stars.